Welcome back to the channel, guys, and Happy New Year. Today we'll be working on my car and we got something new for it. You may notice that I'm missing something in my engine bay. The strut bar is missing. The reason why it's missing is because we have the brand new to market gray market strut tower bar for coupes. So you would have seen me install the Targa version with the triangulated Targa version on one of my last videos. And so here's the coupe version. It is releasing today, January 1st. So if you have not ordered yours yet, jump on it right now. Information will be on screen and in the description. They are limited quantities. So let's get into it. So here, once again, is similar packaging to the Targa bar, just in a more compact sizing, of course. We have the diagram along with the hardware. Diagram of the bar, diagram of the hardware. Here's what's included in the packaging. In the package, the 1 bar and 4 bolts, 4 titanium bolts. I opened this and actually installed the bar already, but my audio wasn't working, so don't mind the markings. That's because I already installed this. I'm redoing this just for you guys. So here is titanium hardware that they include. I believe this hardware is custom made for gray market. Super lightweight. And once again, this is going to be a 13 millimeter head. The OEM hardware is a 12 millimeter head. So just keep that in mind. But the packaging is very sturdy, very nice. The bar fits in these slots. The hardware is individually wrapped in paper and in a plastic baggie. You'll find it in the side right here. But otherwise, this bar looks amazing. It's again pretty much the same exact thing as the Targa bar minus the 2 triangulation bars. And one thing, I don't know if maybe I just didn't notice it on the Targa bar, but I thought this was originally just like a laser etching or an acid etch, but it turns out it looks like this is actually engraved in here. So really nice. The logo should stand the test of time and has the gunmetal anodized finish to it. So it looks very nice. And I can already tell you it fits nicely. So I'll go ahead and show you that installation right now. Okay, so I just laid the bar on there with no hardware, and you can see that the bolt holes line up perfectly. This bar does not require any type of finagling or adjustment of these brackets or anything like that. Like in the first video, of course all these cars are put together differently, so if you do need adjustment, this bracket that this bar sits on, held on by 2 of these strut tower bolts, can be adjusted. It can have a little bit of play in it, so if you do need adjustment for some reason, you can loosen the 2 strut tower bolts and move the bracket. But for my car, it fits perfectly. And I'm just gonna have to go ahead and throw these titanium hardware in, and then we'll be done. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and torque these down to 28 foot-pounds. Okay, and we are done. So this bar looks really nice in the bay, especially next to my Mugen intake, radiator cap, and oil cap. Fits super nicely. The installation was a breeze. Less than 5 minutes total, of course, for 4 bolts. And I'd like to point out also the stock bar has an indent right here. This indent sits on the driver's side, and it looks like it's made to clear these hard lines. But if you can see, the gray market bar clears no problem. So not sure why the stock bar has that, because I don't think the stock bar sits much lower at all than this one, but just in case you're wondering. but fitment's perfect. Doesn't come into contact with anything. So there's no clearance issues or anything like that. If I go ahead and shut my factory engine lid, it looks good. No issues there. There's still a gap in between there and the bar. The lid should sit on these stoppers right here. So if you're looking for this strut bar, go to Gray Market's website, go to their Instagram. The first batch actually launches today, January 1st. Limited quantities, so if you want it, better jump on it. Otherwise, could be gone forever. Who knows when they'll make more, so make sure you get one if you want it. This is a really nice fitting bar. Looks really good, made by a couple of NSX owners themselves. So you want to go ahead and support those kind of guys, bringing these parts to you so they can continue to do more parts in the future. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching. I will put some pictures and some video up after this. So see you in the next one.